Hey, what is up? This is Tyler Pratt. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about creating a profitable funnel, and we're going to do it in 3 simple steps, and we're going to do it like a total boss. So on this channel, on these videos, I like to talk to you about becoming the total boss of your life, creating that total boss lifestyle, being able to do the fun things that you want in life, being able to choose who you want to work with, who you want to not work with, and being able to do the fun things with your family when everybody else is stuck behind a cubicle and working for somebody else. Now, before we get into this video, click on that subscribe button. Also hit that bell option. That way you get notified of all of the videos that I come out with to you on a daily basis. So a profitable funnel. What is even a funnel? Why even have a funnel? Well, if you're online and you're looking to create income for yourself and you're looking to maybe do affiliate marketing, or you have your own products, you have to put people through basic funnel. Okay, not the old days. I guess you could beat somebody over the head and make them buy your product, maybe in the caveman days, but we can't do that anymore. We have to kind of put people through a process. And the only reason we put people through a process is because a lot of times when people initially come to you, they're not really fully aware of the solution that you have will help them solve their problem. And that's really what we're doing online. We're just all we are is problem solvers. We're looking for problems that people have, and we're giving them solutions. Affiliate link is going to be your solution to that problem that you have. Now, there's 3 simple steps that you have to go through in order to get a profitable funnel working. And what happens is most of the people that I talk to, students that I talk to, new people that come on board with me, they've been working online and they've been having frustrations and struggles, and things aren't working for them. And it always comes down to missing one of these steps. Okay, always comes down to missing one of these steps. And if you can get these right in this right order, you're going to have great success. So let's talk about step number 3, the end result. That's going to be your offer. That's where you make money. That's where people are ready to buy. They see that they have a problem and that you have a solution to their problem. And that's step number 3. Okay, but that's like on the end part. And you can't just put that in front of people right away. You got to kind of work them into it. You got to say, hey, this is the solution that I have. Okay, so what's step 1? Well, step 1 is going to be the traffic source. Step 1 is going to be, the YouTube videos that you make. This is going to be Facebook ads if you want to do that, or even Facebook posts. Reaching out to people on Facebook. This is going to be a personal page. It could be a fan page. This could be Instagram, right? Instagram, you could post pictures with your link in your bio. Also, it could be, Google SEO. So if you create blog posts and you create all kinds of content online that Google can see, and they can rank that content in the search engine, that's all going to be traffic. It's all going to be getting people from surfing around to hanging around online or searching for things to get them into your funnel to where you can ultimately show them your offer. Remember, our offer is going to be whatever is the solution that you have to somebody's problem. And the people that are online searching for problems is going to be the traffic that you bring into your offer. So the traffic you have, and what happens is this is where so many people mess up. They go, yeah, I got my offer. I'm excited. I have this new affiliate link. I want to start making money. And now what they do is they go out there and they just start hammering away on wherever they can. They just go to anywhere and they just start blasting their link everywhere. And what happens is they start doing this, and then they get excited about it, and they go out there and start just blasting their link everywhere. Nobody clicks on their link. Nobody buys their product. The problem is not fixed for the person's solution. I mean, the solution doesn't fix the person's problem. And you as a marketer, you get frustrated and you almost want to quit. And I understand it. I get it. I've been there so many times and I see it all the time. So what we do is we just place a simple lead capture page in between step 1 and 2, or step 1 and 3, as step 2. Lead capture page is all it is it's going to be allowing you to capture a potential customer. That's all it is. It's going to capture a potential customer that you can follow up with. Because if you send your traffic straight to an Amazon link and somebody buys that product through your Amazon link, Amazon has that customer now. And now what Amazon does with that customer is they throw out all kinds of different products to them. Well, you sent that link and you sent that new customer, Amazon. When Amazon starts promoting other products to that customer that you sent, you don't get paid for that. You don't make any money for that. Now, if you had a capture page and you collected an email and you were able to follow up with people, you could ultimately send more products, more Amazon products, make more money, have more links that you could send to that offer, create more solutions to somebody's problem. So what we do is we capture a lead in a lead capture form. A couple different ways you can do this, okay? There's a technical side of getting real deep into things, and there's also done for you packages that are pretty much ready to go. If you want the done for you package and you want to basically it's something that you can have a funnel set up for you, click on the link below this video and that'll show you the system that I use for that. If you want to get in technical and you want to step up your, get into more of the nit and gritty on it, go with something like WordPress and Thrive theme plugin. That's what I like to use on a lot of my WordPress sites. Thrive themes, okay? It's a plugin that you would buy. Also, WordPress and Optimized Press are going to be another way to capture emails and from that lead capture page and then send them off to the offer. Okay, so let's look at this one more time so I don't want to confuse you. You have your offer and then you have your traffic. And all you're doing is you're taking your traffic to a lead capture page, you're just collecting an email and then you're redirecting that traffic to the offer. And now what you have is you have an email that you can follow up with people. You can get it into an autoresponder and let that autoresponder kick in and just kind of work its magic and let it go over and over again. If you do that, you're going to see your conversions go crazy and you're going to start to see sales coming in. Because before, if you're just sending straight to an offer, it's just not going to work. You got to warm up people a little bit. People forget things. They're not really interested in your product at the time. It may take them 7, 10, 15 times of you sending out emails as reminders before they'll actually step up and make things happen. Another thing to use for lead capture page and setting up lead capture page is going to be ClickFunnels. It's a great program. It's going to be a little pricey every month, but it's totally worth it if you can spend the money. If you're making the profits, ClickFunnels is going to be a good solution for you. There's Lead Pages, leadpages.net. It's also going to be a monthly service. I like WordPress and like Optimized Press because you pay for the plugin one time, and then all you're doing is you're just paying for the hosting account, which like HostGator could be $7 or $8. So that's why I like to use plugins in WordPress. You can also, there's a lot of them that have been coming out. I see another one called Converti. I think it's Converti. I saw somebody posting that today, Converti, that they really like that. So there are a lot of advanced features and a lot of tools that you can use. For me particular, I just like to find, the total package offers. Okay, I like to find where I just plug in traffic to an offer and then let the back end offer do its magic for me. I like to just have like a built-in system already done to where I can start promoting it. It's a lot easier, and I find that it's a lot easier to get new people to set up, okay? And that's why I like the system that I use. But again, if you just want, if you're frustrated and your funnel's not profitable, just start adding step number 2. Because I know a lot of you guys are you're taking your traffic and you're going to step 3. And you're just going, you're posting your link all over the place that you can. I get messages from people on Facebook. They message me with their link to their affiliate link. It's like, why do you even, this is crazy. It's funny. They think they're actually doing it. And I respond to them saying, how's that working for you? How you spamming people like that? It's not going to work, but they think it works. Maybe somebody taught them how to do it, or maybe they don't understand. But you as the marketer, you are a seasoned veteran now and you know what to do, okay? So one more time, we have our offer, we have our traffic, and we put a lead capture page in the middle. So you got 1, 2, and 3 steps, profitable funnel. Now you can start living that total boss lifestyle. So this is Tyler Pratt. I hope you enjoyed that. Click the like button below, comment below. Let me know how I can help your business, and we will see you on